Welcome back to CE Week. We are live at Metropolitan Pavilion here in New York City as we begin to bring our show to a close. But before we do that, we are here with ToughTested, and I'm looking at this stuff on the table. This is rugged stuff.
It is.
What is it that you guys have brought to show here?
So what we do is we take ordinary products and we make them a little more durable. We build them to last. We design them ourselves from the ground up. We cater to guys who are really tough on their equipment, from truck drivers to teenagers. And we take items that, a cable is a cable is a cable, okay? We've put technology into our cables. This is a device we carry around. We keep our lives in here, our photographs, our memories, our contacts, our data. And we trust it to a charger that we pay $5 at a 7-Eleven store off the convenience store shelf. Those chargers are not good power. They'll give you a charge, but you need to protect your device. So we have a cable here with a built-in circuit protection. So essentially what it does, you plug it in to power, it'll give you a green light. So as long as that light is green and it's plugged into your device, you're good to go. If you get a power surge, you get a power irregularity, an overcurrent, overvoltage situation, it'll detect that power surge and shut the power down to your device. So it'll protect your device, it'll protect your battery, and protect all your data. What people don't realize is cheap power can degrade your battery over time. It can take your data and degrade your device.
That's incredible. Now, what does something like this cable cost?
We call it our safe charge cable. So it's got built-in circuit protection. And that's what we call it. It's also made of a really tough, durable material, so it's tough as well.
And how much does it run, street price?
The street price is roughly $24.99 to $29.99.
So it's not that much more expensive than
It's not.
an OEM Apple device or charger or whatever, but
That's correct.
with a lot more protection.
Absolutely. Everything we buy electronics-wise, computers, large-screen TVs, we plug into surge protection. This is the only device that we don't. So
The one we use the most.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Now, you have that plugged into a power brick here that you guys make. What are we looking at?
Yeah, so again, this is an 8,000 milliamp durable power bank. It's got water protection. It's dustproof, waterproof, shockproof. So this has been tossed off the second floor of a parking garage, submersed underwater for 45 minutes. And I also have a wrecking crew that's run over it with a semi-truck 3 or 4 times, up to 50,000 pounds of weight. And it still charges. It didn't look quite as pretty anymore, but it still works. So 8,000 milliamps will charge your device probably 4 to 5 times.
And that's talking about like a cell phone or something like that.
Exactly.
Amazing. And what else do we have here?
So some of our other cables, this is just a super long, super durable cable. It's got a PET polymer weave on the outside. They use that in engine compartments, under the hoods of cars, to wrap wires, to wrap hoses. It's heat resistant, it's abrasion resistant, it's also chemical resistant. So guys working in tough environments, wearing gloves, pumping gas, pumping diesel, get a lot of grime on their cables. So this will stand up to that. We also design the tips specially. We design and tool these ourselves. This is where every cable breaks. So we bend test it 10,000 times. The standard is about 5,000 times. Aluminum overmold on the end of the cable. So this is the most acceptable part.
It's going to last.
Exactly.
And what do you got around your neck there?
So this piece here, I'm kind of wired up here. This is our new Bluetooth headset. This is going to come out later in the year, around August or September. So poppy or neckband style, you see a lot of people wearing them now. Always have your earbuds handy. Magnetic docking here, also magnetic docking together. We use Kevlar in the cables, so they're extra durable. They won't yank out, or you won't lose that connection. The other thing we do is we've molded speakers into the body of the unit.
Brilliant.
So if you don't want to have the earbuds in, you're just sitting, you want to have private listening, speaker mode directs the sound up to you.
And it has all the phone controls. You can answer calls, play music.
Absolutely. Control panel on the side here. It's also got a noise canceling mic. Again, we build products for guys who work in tough environments. Noise canceling, we're used to like a Bose noise canceling that seals the outside noise. This acts on the behalf of the guy you're talking to, cancels out the background noise so they can't hear the truck in the background or the helicopter or whatever it is.
Smart. And what's that going to retail for?
This is going to retail for $79.99.
That's a great price point for something
Absolutely.
that does all that. And how long will it last battery-wise?
So it's a 10-hour battery. It's a 100-hour standby time.
And, I mean, you got into it briefly, but what's the philosophy behind, ToughTested? Where are you guys going as a company?
Well, we got our start in the heavy-duty truck and travel industry. Truck drivers are really tough. They beat up their equipment. They use their phones every day. It stays plugged in all day because that's their method of communication. From there, we kind of started off into military verticals, into automotive. We found these channels, people were also looking for really rugged products. And then the general consumer, everybody likes tough stuff. They're sick of stuff that breaks. You buy something for $5 and it lasts you a week. You do that enough, you're going to want something that'll last a little bit longer.
Yeah, I mean, I got to tell you, I have an iPhone cable over there that's falling apart that I've been using all day. I mean, this you could tell just by looking at it. I mean, it's rugged. There's not much you could do to this cable to break it. And another great feature about this cable is it's got great length to it.
Yes.
Very often, 3-foot cable,
right.
Maybe, you'll get. But how long was it? About 6 feet?
That's actually an 8-foot cable.
Even better.
So it was built for truck drivers too, but also we drive big SUVs now, 9 passengers. Like if you're sending power back to the back seat, third row of a big SUV.
Yeah, not that I find myself, I'll be in my bedroom and I have my phone plugged in because it's dying,
yes.
but I still want to use it.
Right.
So I need to get enough distance from the wall where
Absolutely.
I could still use the phone. Something like this would be absolutely perfect.
Yep. And
I guess this is the retail packaging here?
Yeah, that's what our retail packaging looks like. We call it the Pro cable. It's designed to be used by pros, but ordinary people like it too.
And there's just a 3.5 millimeter cable, so a regular audio cable?
Yeah, that's an audio cable. That's the audio version of it. So it comes in the micro with the lightning. The cool thing too about our micro cable is Android devices, you got a 50-50 shot of getting it in right, okay? So, and that wears the tip. It also wears the charging port on your device. So we have a reversible micro tip. You never have to worry about plugging it in the right way. So it goes in either way, so it doesn't wear your device down, doesn't wear the tip of the cable down.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So we try to think of the little things that make your life a little bit easier. Longer cables, a little more durable, reversible tips.
That's great. ToughTested. You saw it here at CE Week 2016. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more. Our closing live from New York City at the Metropolitan Pavilion. It's CE Week here on BeTerrific.